Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you get an error the file has unsupported compression type in Premiere Pro. So first thing what you want to do is you want to open up your Adobe Premiere Pro. Then on the top you want to go to Edit, then you want to go to Preferences, and then go to Media Cache. Once this has opened up, what you want to do is you want to click on delete, and then you want to delete unused media cache, click OK, and then delete all media caches, and then you have to restart your PC. Once you have done that, once you have done that, that should fix it. If not, then just try this. So you have files, and for example, you see this is in MKV type of format. To see your extensions, go to View, Show, and File Name Extensions. Now you have this MKV, which sometimes can load up, sometimes it won't load up. If you try to transport it to another PC or potentially your MacBook, especially on a MacBook, this type of file just won't work. Now there are some paid tools that you can use to convert this from MKV to MP4, but I have a better solution, especially if you're using OBS. Now I'm currently recording, so I don't know, I think I'll be able to do this. So what you have to do is go open up your OBS, top left on the file, and go to Remix Recordings. And then basically here you just want to click on these three dots and add that file to it, open, and basically we just click on remix, and once it's done, depending on how your file is long, it shouldn't take more than like a few seconds, then you will have it here, and that's it. Then upload that MP4 into the Premiere Pro and everything should work perfect. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.